Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best miter saw that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Bosch Power Tools GCM12SD Sliding Glide Miter Saw. Many of us know the Bosch brand and the many products they manufacture. We can attest to their level of quality, durability and functionality. Thus, we are certain that their Bosch Sliding Glide Miter Saw will be an amazing power tool. Designed to be better than many of its competitors, this unit features the axial glide system that is patented by the brand. This system offers improved alignment and also ensures that wider cuts are produced whenever this product is operated. It is a compact saw that is extremely easy to move around in stores, with a cut smoothness that still remains unmatched on the market. This GCM12SD miter saw from Bosch features a stainless steel miter and a large easy-to-read uniform bevel that provides operators with easy adjustments at different times when necessary. The miter scales of this saw feature roof pitch angles as well as marked detents to make accuracy higher than that of competing brands. Moving on at number 4, we have the Makita LS1018 10-inch dual slide compound miter saw. Our next favorite product is the Makita dual slide compound miter saw. Much like its competitors on the market, the Makita saw is a powerful machine made to operate longer and require lesser maintenance checks. This product uses a 13-amp motor with a direct drive characteristic, which aids in its delivery of 4,300 RPM. This is a saw that seeks to make all your cutting activities swift and very accurate. Thus, it features a linear ball bearing system that enhances its accuracy while it cuts at precise 990 and 45-degree angles. For easy adjustment and accessibility, you can make use of the Makita saw and its rear handle bevel lock that comes with positive stops at 0 and 45 degrees on the left and right respectively. At number 3, we have the Skil 382101 12-inch quick mount compound miter saw. Meet the Skil compound miter saw, one of the greatest saws ever made on this planet. We love this miter saw for a lot of reasons, with functionality being the first. This is a saw that operates using an exceptional 15-amp motor with a 4,500 RPM. It offers accurate cuts in a short time frame, thanks to its laser cut line guide that isn't common among other competing brands. With many cutting angles available in the woodworking industry, this product makes the cutting process easier by providing up to 9 positive stops that enable the operator set any miter angle they please, depending on the item being cut. At number 2, we have the Genesis GMS1015 LC compound miter saw. To create the perfect power tool, manufacturers will have to go to the beginning, the Genesis. We introduce to you the Genesis compound miter saw, a machine with 9 positive miter stops and a powerful laser guide. This miter saw is one of the best miter saw on the market today, and we know why. Firstly, it features the use of compound cutting for activities such as picture frames, crown molding, shadow boxes and many others. The versatility of this unit is amazing, which is why many customers around the world find it a worthy investment to make. Enjoy improved accuracy and proper alignment with every cut you make with the Genesis saw. Make use of its integrated laser guide to know where the cut will be even before it is made. Enjoy the best from the first group to ever exist. And finally at number 1, we have the Milwaukee Electric Tool 2733-21M18 Fuel Miter Saw Kit. If you want a product that offers an increased level of efficiency and productivity, we recommend the 2733-21 miter saw kit. This is one of the best miter saw on the market today. It is built with a power state brushless motor and operates rapidly, delivering more than 600 cuts per charge, which is more than regular miter saws produce. It is versatile, compact and extremely portable with a high level of accuracy. With this power tool, operators don't have to flip or turn their workpiece to create a variety of cuts. They simply need to make use of its dual bevel feature. It comes with accessories such as a dust bag, blade wrench, clamp, carbide-tipped blade and multi-chargers.
Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.